Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by ensuring both devices run updated WhatsApp builds and have internet. This prevents compatibility failures. Once done, unlock the device that will display the Passkey QR and grant camera permission on the scanning device so it can access the viewfinder. Now open WhatsApp on the display device and go directly to Settings, then link devices to surface the QR Passkey. You're prepping both ends. This speeds scanning and avoids timeout prompts while you proceed to the next step. You'll now perform the actual scan. On your scanning device, tap Link a device and switch to the camera view. Aim so the QR fits the guide box and keep the phone steady about 6 to 12 inches away. This distance helps autofocus and allows the camera to read the encoded Passkey. If lighting is low, increase brightness or use indirect light. Avoid glare. Once WhatsApp decodes the QR, it will authenticate the Passkey and start establishing the linked session. Don't interrupt the network while it finishes. After scanning, confirm the new device shows under Linked Devices and Test Sync by sending a quick message or initiating a call. This verifies the Passkey completed authentication. If scanning fails, make simple fixes. Restart WhatsApp, clean the camera lens, toggle camera permission, or switch networks to reduce packet loss. Once done, regenerate the QR by refreshing the linked device's view and scan again. If problems persist, revoke obsolete linked devices and repeat the process to remove stale credentials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.